Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be unboxing this rare PIA Boeing 707-300 by INFLIGHT200. Let's get into it.
पहली उड़ान PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
So as you can see, we have a very unique box with our beautiful PIA logo with the PIA name, a beautiful Pakistan flag in the background. We do have two different registrations. I believe that the one that I have in this box is this one right here, but I don't know when this was released. I am still trying to look for the cargo version in 1:200 scale, but I do have it in 1:400. So we do have the AP-AZW registration and then AP-AZW. So we do have the Boeing 707-300 mentioned as well. If we look at it at the back, we also have two different models, which is not PIA, but I think it's just a reference. We do have our INFLIGHT200 logo as well. The model did cost around $130 Canadian, and it was released many years back. So on the top, we have a very unique PIA design. So we can also see that this aircraft is the AP-AZW, not the cargo one, the normal passenger aircraft. So we'll go ahead and open it up. So on the top, we have a card. So this was the 144th model made. And we can see we have the PIA aircraft, our airline registration model. Very unique card to have. And here is our aircraft. So we have our plastic packaging. The aircraft has fixed landing gears as well, but unfortunately no stand. So we'll take this out. Very heavy model. And here it is, our PIA 707 aircraft. Very detailed, very shiny. What an amazing model. Alright, so here is our aircraft. So as you can see on the front, we have our black nose. Underneath the cockpit windows, we also have some black as well. Details to the windows itself, very good. We have our registration on the nose of the aircraft, Zulu Whiskey. As you can see, it's not on the nose gear itself, it's at the front of the aircraft. We have a white body with a dark and gold cheat line moving down all the way to the back. We have our PIA logo with the Pakistan International name as well. Details on the engine as well. These don't move, they are fixed, but still very nice. At the back, you can see we have a registration, Alpha Papa Alpha Zulu Whiskey. We have the registration also on the bottom left wing, as well as the top right wing. On the tail, we just have our simple dark green background with the PIA name in white. We also have two antennas. We have one small one right here and then our fragile one on the top as well. We also have an antenna down here as well. Very detailed on the flaps. And as you can see, we have our emergency exit designed for the passengers to walk or slide down. The beacon light is also surprisingly embedded. I'm very shocked to see that you know, on other aircrafts like the Aero Classics, it just has a paint job, but this one is fixed and embedded, which is very nice. On the other side, we have our similar details as well. We have our cargo doors, registration, and then our tail design, and then our Pakistan International name with another cargo door at the front, and then our detailed nose gear with the registration, and then our beautiful dark and green cheat line. Underneath the aircraft, we do have, as you can see mentioned before, our antenna. Kind of details on the landing gear doors. One thing is that the landing gears do move as well, which is very nice. We have our INFLIGHT200 logo, and then we do have another antenna at the front, and then our front nose gear moves as well. So no doubt for an older release, it's very much detailed, but very shiny and very well made by InFlight. So some details about this aircraft. As we know, the registration is AP-AZW. The aircraft type is a Boeing 707-351B. The aircraft was actually built in 1968 and was registered to a United States aircraft called Northwest Orient. It was delivered to that airline on July 24th of 1968, which was later sold to PIA on April 25th of 1977. The aircraft was then registered as AP-AZW, but sadly it was withdrawn from the fleet in 1992 and then dismantled and was broken up in Pakistan on December of 1993. Sadly, the aircraft is not displayed or anywhere, so it was broken up in Pakistan. So, but still, very unique and historic aircraft. Whoever has flown on it, the 707 is definitely and was the iconic aircraft during its time, as well as the 720 aircraft. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick review of this rare PIA Boeing 707 aircraft by INFLIGHT200. Also a unique aircraft in my collection, and I only have one of these. Hopefully down the road in the near future I can get the cargo aircraft in my collection, but let's hope one day I can get it. But once again, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my daily PIA collection videos. Thank you all once again, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.